Hi everyone, this is the open cup challenge for day 21. I'm a day behind and I've had an awfully long day today. I just tried to do my open cup, completely overworked it and messed it up, so I'm going to try and have another go. I've got a wet base and the cup should slide around, allowing me to manipulate cells. So I'm just going to get on with it, probably speed up this video. This is Cyanide Green and Cyanide Blue. These are both from Liquitex Basics. This is Sparkling Silver from Deco Art Americana. And I'm going to put a tiny little bit of this Colour Shift Blue Violet Flash. And I'm just going to put it in straight. And hopefully as I pull it around, it'll be okay. I'm going to put some white in. Some more silver. Some more green. Some more phthalo blue. More of that. Sorry. This one's Purple Flash by Colour Shift. And generous amount more white. Okay, I'm going to go through the middle here. And I'm going to start to tilt it around. This area looks amazing to me. This is a bit too busy. I preferred everything except this area before I just torched it. The edges are fine, but this is too busy. So I think I'm going to maybe tilt a little bit, or let's see what I can do here. If I can run some of that off the edge, that will probably be quite good. Okay, that's totally changed the composition, but I like it now, so I'm going to stop. Okay, that's much better. This is my open cup.